Hello everybody. Today we are going to discuss very important topics algebra. A student, I would like to mention some formula and hope it will be beneficial for you in the long term. First formula, as you know, a plus b का whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second formula, a plus b का whole square equal to a minus b का whole square plus 4ab. How can we get this formula? Let you expand a minus b का whole square. As you know, a minus b का whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 4ab. Let you see a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b का whole square. Now see, as you know, a minus b का whole square equal to, my student, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b का whole square also equal to a plus b का whole square minus 4ab. बेटे a प्लस b का होल क्यू इक्वल टू ए क्यू प्लस 3ab a plus b plus bq. Once you are going to expand it, you would able to get it aq plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus bq. Your next formula is a minus b का whole क्यू इक्वल टू ए क्यू minus 3ab a minus b minus bq. Once you are going to expand it, you would able to get aq minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus bq. Now see, next formula is aq plus bq का whole q equal to, मेरे बेटा, if you want to factorize it, you can get a plus b a square minus ab plus b square. For the general solutions, aq plus bq equal to a plus b का whole q minus 3ab a plus b. Now see, aq minus bq equal to, once you want to factorize it, it becomes the a minus b a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Now see, for other purpose, aq minus bq equal to, मेरे बेटे, a minus b का whole q plus 3ab a minus b. Now there will be another formula for you. A square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. बेटे a square plus b square equal to a plus b का whole square minus 2ab. We can get another formula, a square plus b square equal to a minus b का whole square plus 2ab. Let's see. As you know, a plus b plus c का whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now see, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then aq plus bq plus cq equal to 3abc. It will only happen if a plus b plus c equal to 0. Otherwise, aq plus bq plus cq minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. These are some formula which we are going to discuss in the algebra sections. There will be one more formula, x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. Okay. Now in the coming class we would like to discuss the polynomial sections. Okay. Till then, good night. Thank you.